Some people always arrive before others. Some decisions change everything just because they were made at the right time. And sometimes success has nothing to do with speed, but timing. What if one small habit could quietly change your entire life? Want to know which one it is? Then watch this lesson. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. Welcome to Shaheda English Paradise. I'm your teacher Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 5 of our 60-day English vocabulary confident journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful English word, and at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native-style English sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is early. Repeat after me. Early. Say that again. Early. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. Early doesn't only mean before the clock says so. It also means being prepared, showing respect for time, giving yourself space to breathe. People arrive early often feel less stressed, more focused, and more confident. When you say early, English listeners understand your discipline. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a vocabulary assessment. Those who participate will receive a vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on exam wishlist. The link is in the bio description or comments depending on the platform you are using. For those who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for learners who want structured guidance and faster progress. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Thousands have taken this step and never looked back. Now, here is your reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use early. I arrive early for the class. She wakes up early every morning. Notice something important? We say early with actions and time, not as a verb by itself. Now, this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using early, then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence. That's it. One word, but now it's meaningful. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream English course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 5. Tomorrow, day 6. We will explore more daily life vocabulary. Follow the journey, stay consistent, learn English with smartness, prepare for success.